watch this video.
Watch this video. Thumbs up the video.
And make it a happy face.
Make a happy face. Oh my god. Thanks for watching. You heard me while you're writing in my book. Whew. Hey guys, what's up? I feel like I have not come on here and actually had like an interactive video in a long time. I say interactive like on the pan here, so hold on. Yo, I have not done this in so long. I feel so weird. Ring lights or no ring lights? I have no idea.
Oh my god, I love it.
Hey my natural beauties, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to my channel. It's Toya here. If you are new to my channel and you have not, that's my baby. If you're new, come here, say hi.
Hi.
Okay. If you guys are new to my channel and it's your first time stopping by, thanks so much. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button, you will not regret it. And to all my loyal day ones, like everybody who's been riding with me for the longest time, guys, and I have no idea how much I love you now. No, this, miss, I'm looking at you, miss. Look, girl, you're not gonna have class. Go on now. Can I be honest, guys? I'm on here to do a get ready with me video, but to be honest, like, but did I beat up myself about my skin? But at this point, I just feel like my skin looks good. Like, I don't even know why I'm a trip sometimes. I swear, I don't even know. I'm always very hard on myself, if you know me in real life. But so this video today is going to be a get ready with me video. However, I'm not even sure what angle, you know, which direction it's going to take. I have not filmed at like an actual video in this space before. So at this point I'm just trying to get it right, but I'm just a good chill. It's gonna just be a really chill vibe, just me talking to you guys about some stuff that I find bothering me, or just stuff that I might need to address, me being absent and not being consistent and stuff like that, which I do feel like we talk about a lot, but I don't know what I love chat. So in the meantime, go ahead and grab a snack, grab a drink, grab anything that you think you might need to be comfortable watching this video, because it is going to be a bit lengthy, but I'm trying not to make it too long. Alright?
Something about me ambition, keep me on the money mission. Believe na me dreams, me believe na the vision. And when me 30 mil me fi sit down, and just me ambition. Ambition, keep me on the money mission. Something about me ambition. Ambition, yo, hustle every day, me no waste time.
So I have my hair in these plaits right now. There is a style that I want to share with you guys that I have not filmed yet. To be honest, today was supposed to be me filming that, but it just never happened. Marla has online classes right now. And as I'm on the topic of that, guys, if you have friends who have kids at home and they work from home, check on your single parent friends, check on your friends with kids and them do everything by themselves. Check on them. They're not okay. And people post this on WhatsApp all the time lately. You know, it's a lot dealing with a child or children for those who have more than one, and just being a parent overall is very hard. And when you have to like do everything and, you know, help them with online classes, is a whole thing in itself. People can tell you like, this online class thing will mud you, and I know you in a class. And it's just a mere fact that right now in Jamaica, the online class system really pressures parents, and not necessarily, I don't know, I can't speak to the effectiveness of it, to be honest. At this point, I really just want Marla to go back to school. Just because when they're in online class, you have to be doing everything. You have to be helping them every single step of the way. This girl at peep on me, can tell her for go on. Go on here, girl. Sure. I did not put any lotion on. I've been liking this lately. I got the travel size when I went away, which I will talk about in a little bit. But this is the lotion I'm gonna be putting on myself right now. It's kind of blurry, but yeah. So check on your friends with kids, you know, check on them, make sure them all right, because it's a whole lot dealing with these kids and just dealing with school and dealing with friends and your social life and just balancing out everything and making sure that you yourself are okay and your mental health is okay. It's a lot. More than life, if me tell you say, you know, everything is just perfect, and there are days when I don't feel down and I feel overwhelmed. I have a lot of those days lately, especially since I've been back. But yeah, so I'm gonna talk about my trip away a little bit because I don't want to give you guys too much, you know what I'm saying. It's just that I dropped the vlog, my travel vlog, and of course I featured Bay in it, and everybody was like, wait, I missed something. Like, wagwan, y'all missed a lot. But this is why I keep on saying, follow the Instagram, follow the Snapchat. I post there before I post anything on YouTube, so y'all would have been known if you were following my Instagram. All right, so don't go there right there. So all right, so I'm gonna put some shea butter in my hair, which is the only moisturizer I actually work these days, this one. And I'm not gonna use a lot because I did moisturize last night before I put my hair in those plaits. Huh? All right, so just mainly on my ends. The water is dirty. Get some new water from the fridge. My hair is growing back, but I don't know why I'm just not satisfied. The thickness is there. It looked really long today. I don't know. Maybe I'm just, I don't know what it is with me. Because Kill Me Dead, my hair never did a grow back. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Like, honestly, sometimes I'm just like, why my hair can't grow back? But look how my hair get back long. I'm over myself. Why am I always stay so? Anyways. I swear, anybody who know me in a real life will be over me. Over me. Them always say, shut up your mouth. Alright guys, so today I want to show you guys something. These are what I need to make a tutorial for, and I will eventually. Now all I did was just pre-twist these so I can, these are like a ponytail, so it's like, you know, if you want to catch up a hair in a 1.5, these are in a 2, cane row, whatever. I'm gonna show you guys how I've been wearing it lately. I'm just gonna part my hair down the middle like this. Boo Bear, remember you're only on break, so go check if teacher come back. And to be honest guys, this space is really comfortable. In case you guys didn't know, I'm living on my own now, me and Marla alone. So with that being said, it's a different space. She's not on. Where's your, oh, it's on the charger. With that being said, it being a new space and stuff, I didn't really, like, I haven't really recorded in this space like that, so to speak. So I really am comfortable right here in the couch. So I think in the future I'm going to just be I can do more chill videos from this location, from this spot right here. So I don't know who has a solution for me, but lately my scalp are going with bare things like white, itchy. The dryness is coming all the way down here, and I don't know why. When I was away, it never bothered me none at all, but now I don't know what it is. Somebody's like, maybe it's the weather, maybe it's the water, I don't know. I've tried every dry scalp shampoo, oil, all of that, and it just doesn't go away. Like the second I comb my hair, that's it. Alright, I'm gonna be using my Ocean, which is like my go-to. Just slap a little bit of that around the edge part. I'm gonna put my hair in 2 cane rows, just going that way, and I'm just dressing up my edges a little bit, make it kind of slick, just a little bit. Come a little closer. Take out my baby ear them. I'm just smoothing everything else. Alright, so the Marla is about to go back on, so my background is going to change from this quiet, peaceful-ish to very noisy. So just to give you guys a heads up, Marla hates online class, guys. She hates it, like absolutely hate it. And y'all remember how she was with school, like she never really liked that. So imagine the online. Kids like their interaction, they like being around their friends. This is not it, and it's also depressing them. And you guys need to take into account the embodiment of frustration that comes to these kids having to deal with the online class thing. It's not their thing, especially toddlers. Toddlers aren't built for online class. They are not. It's very stressful to them. So I watch the tantrums every day with the other kids, and sometimes with them not have it. I can't blame them. It's just they aren't built for that. Not at all. Check on your toddlers, you know, be a little bit more gentle with them. I try my very best. A long time in a cane road with me also, so long time. But let's see how we do today. But yeah, you know, so obviously not only adults are suffering during this pandemic, kids are also suffering during this pandemic. And I don't think kids' feelings is something that people take into account, you know, when you know, just overall in life. And kids can get depressed too, because obviously they have feelings as well. So I think more needs to be done when it comes on to like parenting and a kid's feelings and just acknowledging them as a person. Because, you know, these, especially them nowadays, Pinia, they are so smart. Like, they're extremely smart. They're very in tune with their emotions. Them not dark and fool like how we used to stay and we hide and run, and no, they're very bold and they're very outspoken. So obviously with that also comes the feelings and the emotions, you understand? So just a little parenting tip, you know, be gentle with them. Them never ask for this. Them never ask for born in a time when a pandemic hit and everybody's just so crazy, you know. But overall, I just want us to just do what we can and our part to like bring more focus to the importance of mental health. I've seen so many people break during this thing, yeah, like people break down, detach themselves from them family. Like, we all know of suicides, we know of just all this stuff, this awful stuff that we see in the news, and it really has to do with people and their trauma, and just some of us is not really dealing with these situations very well, you know what I mean? So it really does call for us to be more unified and just check on each other. You're getting to talk to your friend for the whole day, you know, so they normally talk. Like, check on your friends, especially the ones that are normally strong. I swear, I'm glad for everybody will check on me. Like, I'll just have friends that hit me up and text me, yo, I'm not hear from you, you're good. Random calls like, yo, sis, I love you. Like, and whenever these days, in light of everything that happens, teacher, come back. These days, in light of everything that happens, as soon as a friend runs on my mind, best believe me, I take out my phone and call you, yo dog, you're good, like, you know what I mean? Because we're all just going through it. Mute them, baby. No, mute them. Teacher talking? Turn it down a little. Not bad, not bad at all. And just something to point out, this is also a really good way to protective style. Like, it's easy and it make your life super easy, I'm not gonna lie. When your hair is like tucked away, it's like the best feed, the best, because nothing is interrupting the texture or the feel of it, because it's completely covered, or at least covered majority of the way. So I came on here wanting to talk about several things today. I think I want to do a dedicated video to my vacation in St. Louis, and everything that I did while I was there. That was a whole life experience, guys. Like, everything about that was just perfect. I enjoy myself. That's all I can say. I did enjoy myself. I will make a dedicated video about that experience because it was definitely one to remember. And there's like a whole backstory to that trip right there. But you know, eventually I will tell you guys all about that. One of the things that I wanted to talk about was just the whole YouTube and why I have been feeling the way I've been feeling toward YouTube. I've been very demotivated. Haven't felt like doing anything with regards to YouTube in a while. While I was there, I did film like a couple of vlogs, but it was just for filming's sake. I wasn't enthused, and the reason why was because of just the politics behind YouTube these days, and I have talked about this in previous videos, right? So I'm not going to like dwell, but just so my followers know and people that actually look out for my videos and stuff, you guys, I just want you guys to understand why I have not been gung-ho about posting on here. One of the main reasons why is just, as I said, the way the whole politics of YouTube is set up. Yes, babe? Mosquito biting you? Hold on, guys. Guys, I'm gonna tell you the mosquito, them serious. So one of the reasons why is mainly because I just hate how YouTube is being run these days. People subscribing to me are not even getting my notifications, you know, or they do get the notification way late. Like that used to happen to me a lot with a lot of the channels I'm subscribed to. Every day I check my subscriber count is going down, and I said this on Snapchat yesterday. Within the space of 24 hours, I lost at least 100 subscribers, and I'm wondering if it's because YouTube is doing dusting, like they do every now and then with inactive accounts and stuff. But even then, how the hell do I have 45,000 plus subscribers and I cannot even get 1,000 subscribers on a video? I don't understand. I mean 1,000 views on a video. And it pissed me off because, and it's very discouraging, guys, I'm telling you, because YouTube takes a lot of effort, it takes a lot of time, it takes a lot of sacrifice to be consistent on YouTube. Now, I said this on Snapchat as well. If you're not following my Snap, follow me there. When I post something, it's of great sacrifice. What happened, Baba? You find it? You find it back? Okay. When you see me post a video, it's great sacrifice that leads me to post, right? Reason being, real life is a whole task for me. My braids are done. And I say this in the most realist way possible. And it's because real life for me is very demanding. My job is demanding and my lifestyle is demanding because obviously I am a parent, and that life in itself is a lot, right? So when I post or find time to post, I something will take out what you put on me. And I make this sacrifice over and over, only to be able, I'm just securing them to the back like this, only to be able to not even get 1,000 views on a video. Alright, so they're like this. I just secure them in the back like this. And then I'm going to take my twists. They have an elastic on them. And I'm going to just attach them to the back of my, right? Now the best thing to do is actually double them over. So like this, so that it's tight on there. Just like that. And that's one. I do the other one from the other side. and then one from the top. So then I'm gonna carry the one on the top over like this, right? You can wear it like this. If you wish, you can wear it like that, or you can do what I do. I take a couple of the twists and I wrap them around for extra security, and you make it kind of tight, just a little bit. Sometimes you will draw up your look at one ear them, and like that really hurt. So you just make it as snug or as secure as you can and just wrap it around. The goal is for it to just be in place and look cute. Yes, then. Alright. And that's us. Edge gel. Yes, baby? My hair's so pretty. Thank you so much, my baby. Thank you. Nice, thanks. What letter are you doing today? What letter? Huh? Letter T. Good job, awesome. People always watch my videos and ask, you know, about coming here and any advice. And advice, carry enough repellent, enough vape, the vape mist thing for the mosquitoes. Yeah, you're gonna need body for that, because the mosquito, yeah, them not playing no games. No games, them not play. This is my makeup travel bag with my personal stuff in it that I took with me when I went away on my summer trip. So this kind of hold like everything, my eyeliners, like a couple palettes, contour, foundation, you know, a good amount of stuff. It have look away too. Alright guys, so a little joke. Over the summer, I actually left my brown eyeliner by accident. So I left my brown eyeliner and I had to use black eyeliner the entire summer. I never had to, because I could have gone to like a Dollar Tree.
It tastes bad.
Babe, you always think water tastes bad if the water hot. I could have gone to a Dollar Tree or a Dollar General or a Walgreens or a Walmart or something and gotten an eyeliner, but I mastered how to do it with the black eyeliner all summer. So I was just like, I'm not even gonna kill up myself. I'm not even gonna kill up myself, because while I was there, all I did was brows and lashes, eyeliner, and I was out the door. You guys know I have a go-to look when I'm on vacation, like go-to. So I haven't done like beat my face, like done a full face in a minute. I'm using my favorite concealer. Y'all already know. This is not a tutorial, this is just a get ready with me, guys. So nothing fancy, I promise. But yeah, back to what I was cussing about. You see putting out so much effort only to get like 400 and something views on a video when you've worked so hard to edit it and you have just done so much to make the video a thing. It's very discouraging. I can't even lie, like it's very discouraging. It almost feels like, why am I bothering to do this, you know? And I hate that feeling, because when I just started YouTube was literally for the fun. When I just started YouTube was literally for the fun, and I can't consider myself doing it for fun anymore, because one, the results are not it, and two, the time that it takes, I might as well be benefiting, and the money is not it either, especially where I'm from, right? Now Jamaicans don't make bank off YouTube. Jamaicans make bank off promotions that come through their channel or the notoriety that their channel has, but definitely not off them making videos. I can tell you that much. I've seen it for myself, and it doesn't matter what they clock like a crap load views or just a little bit. It doesn't matter. It's pretty much the same right across the board, and it really sucks, I can tell you that. But you know, it is what it is, right? But my thing is, I would want my effort to be recognized. I've been on YouTube since 2012. I've said this so many times, and I'm yet to see where it's going for me. And it's not like I have not made videos. Like, I make quality videos, I do. It's just that, especially compared to a lot of people who don't make content that makes sense at all, you know. All I'm saying is, I am tired of seeing people who do not make quality content reach so far, get this many views, right, for doing absolutely nothing, fake pranking people. Come and tell you if you see the fake prank them now. We all know, you know, it is a prank. Like, I don't understand. All I want to do, I am in the mental space where I am like coaching myself to get back into consistency. You know what I mean? Like, I'm coaching myself to get back into consistency and just, you know, do my best. You feel me? So I just want to do that as effectively as I can, you know, and just leave it there. But this is like my last attempt at being consistent. At this point, I feel like I'm just doing YouTube to create memories and just put them somewhere. Once the internet is there, I know that I will have these to look back on. But it would be nice if I would actually get somewhere with this, you know what I mean? Because I have really put in a lot, and it's very disheartening. It's disheartening when you see people who are not even talk about shiznit come on here and just make a stupid ass video and it go viral, and people who share so much and do so much and create, you're not gonna way. Like, it's annoying, I can tell you. But despite that, I'm going to try my best to push through for you guys. I just wanted you guys to know where my head was at, you know what I mean, regarding just all of this and just the stuff that I continue to try to do to make this channel work and to make it get somewhere. But I'm very discouraged. So I just wanted you guys to know, in case you think me to abandon you, it was on purpose. Just because creating is very hard, and I personally just never see it going anywhere, you know. So, yo, I am mad light right now. Very, very light. In Bunny? This is number 12, mahogany. A mahogany this year. In the dried and twin one, which is what I normally use. But I don't know, I just feel like obviously this is just too dark for me right now. So I'm gonna mix it with another number. You guys can clearly see that it's too light, too dark. I'm gonna mix it with 10 because I can't find my 11, and 10 is way yellow. Me?
I go in my own space.
You're going in your own space?
Yeah.
How would that come to be your own space and it's over there and it's in my way? Huh? Huh?
I go in my own space.
Walk around. Now I must tell you guys, I have not utilized a primer in a very long time. Nice. You made that?
Yeah.
Wow, I love it. I have not utilized a primer under my makeup in a while. I keep telling people, you know, that a lot of these products, just depending on your skin type and depending on just, you know, a lot of things, your environment and so on, are not 100% necessary. Like, you can go wear your makeup without priming your face. You can. You won't die, you know what I mean? So if you can save some extra bucks and just get a foundation instead of get a primer, a foundation, a setting spray, and it's all this unnecessary stuff that you will just honestly, especially in a country like Jamaica, end up sweating the hell off. Save your money, sis. Because you don't need it. You don't. So I'm just lightening up my face now with the same number 10, sorry.
It is break time off.
Put your phone on the charger. Turn it off and put it on the charger. With my same e.l.f. powder brush, which if this brush was not invented, I don't know what I would have done with myself. Don't know. I haven't done a cat eye in a while. I just felt to do it today. Powder. So pressing that right up under my eye. Right. Now you guys know when I have a product that I love, I literally don't replace it. If it's not broke, I do not try to fix it. I leave it alone, right?
Mom, your makeup's so pretty.
Lena, this pretty?
Yeah.
This pretty?
Yeah.
No, it's not.
This?
This looks terrible right now.
Wait, you're not finished yet.
Oh, you know I'm not finished. You're so smart, Bobs.
Can
Yeah. Setting with this. Just already up look a bit. I'm gonna pull this off because you guys know that line, that terrible ass line that is usually at the top of your head when you tie something on there. I don't want the line this, so I'm gonna pull this off. Thanks to my daughter for the sound effects in the background. See what I mean? Alright. So, I'm just trying to kind of even out this part. I'm going with my powder brush and thing to make sure that product is actually there blending into my hairline. I don't want them to say, oh, right. Alright, boom. Let's blend that back out. Okay, so I want my contour to be very warm. I might have to go into a different palette. I really want a really warm cheek today, like really, really warm. I think I'm getting there.
why am I wearing a shirt this way?
Huh?
A shirt.
Your shorts?
Yeah.
So I'm taking this middle color, guys. This is all the stuff I bought on summer vacation. Like, I brought this stuff with me. So I'm trying to keep it very simple, right? And this is all 3 of the highlighters mixed together. And nobody can tell me nothing about the Milani Samia made for us at this point. Love it. Right over here. So right over under my brow. With a bit of intensity. Just a little bit. Right? And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go in here with it as well. The inner part of my... Yes, I have my eyelash, baby. I soon put them on. You guys see what I mean? Just in there alone. To kind of open up the eyes a little bit. Thanks, baby.
It's lunch.
So you just Yeah, it's lunchtime. So you're doing that and bringing it over, but you're not spreading it all over the lid, just right in there. Just right in there alone. Right? I'm gonna line my lips. Anchor.
What is that?
It's an eyeliner.
Eyeliner?
Mm-hmm.
Why you put this?
Why I put it on my lip?
Yeah.
Because I can.
So. What? You have on your lipstick?
Lipstick.
Huh?
Mm-hmm.
No. What's
Matte Me. And this is like my go-to nude lip. Yoshi from J. Amir. Yes, babes? What you don't have? You have no chocolate? You love too much chocolate. Alright guys, I'm gonna put on my lashes real quick, and these are the ones that I'm going to be using. I'm getting a little bit of blue light filter like, and these are from, I'll put it in the description. Discount. Oh, you go, something like that. I'm gonna put it in the description, but I'm gonna put these on and come back.
so? Hi.
Oh my god, guys. So I intensified the wing, right? I intensified the wing. Alright. I intensified the wing because I wanted it more, like a little bit more outstanding. So what you're gonna have for lunchtime? Cup soup? Okay, coming right up. So there is, I think I can actually see it on camera. There's a lash hanging down right there. I'm going to cut it.
Why you have to cut it?
I have to cut it because it's in the way. Oh, these are just pieces of the lashes that I just cut, guys. The strip. But we're done. We're done, guys. We are done. Hair done. Makeup done. I look like Elsa?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Thank you. Is Elsa pretty?
Yeah.
Wow. Alright guys, this look took me, I would say, about 30 to 40 minutes. If you're gonna be doing it like just boom 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 and not talking and stopping like me, then it can be like 15-20 minutes, right?
Yeah.
Nothing. I was just trying to look cute. What do you think?
You like 30 minutes.
It's two minutes, it says.
Really?
2 minutes and see 3 minutes now. See?
Oh man.
Yes.
It's so.
Give me chopping.
Hey, it's my head.
No, it's fine. Are you gonna help me pack up?
Okay.
Where's the cover for this one? Yeah, open, but that's open. So I really just wanted to come on here and talk to you guys right quick, share with you how I'm feeling. The whole YouTube bit is a lot, and it might seem like not a lot for persons who aren't really invested in YouTube like that, and I wouldn't consider myself invested in YouTube, to be honest. I just really was betting on it a little bit, you know what I mean? And with the way everything is running and people who are irrelevant being way relevant and stuff like that, it really just kind of pisses me off. And I really thought at this point I would have reached further than I am. Yeah, so now I'm not motivated to make any videos or anything like that. I'm just doing it just cause I put in my memories somewhere, you know what I mean? So yeah, with that being said, if you watch the videos and you forget to subscribe or you forget to thumbs up the video, just know it means a lot to me when you actually do these things, because then it motivates me to want to stay consistent and want to do this, you know what I mean? Because I'll know that there are people watching me. No, I really just do it now more so for the few people that I know that really mess with me, the DMs that I get and the snaps that I would get and say, yeah, a long time I hear from you, you know, you're good and stuff like that. You guys have no idea how much I appreciate that, especially in this time when I know that things are really rough for a lot of people, and it's no less rough for me, right? So yeah. Oh, my baby is so beautiful. Look at my baby, guys. Look at my baby. Huh? Look at my baby. What's your name? Namarla what?
Sterling.
Wow. Your name is Namarla Sterling?
Yeah.
How old are you?
I'm 4 years old.
You're 4? Alright guys, so Buggy is on lunch break. We're gonna go get her something to eat, and then by them time it'll be time for her to go back on, and then we just do the online class bit for the rest of the day. But remember what I said, check on your strong friends, check on your friends with kids. Just be there for somebody. Like, I swear, if this pandemic hasn't taught anybody anything, it should teach you to be there for people and teach you to be more selfless and just less self-centered. Because when you think about it, it really isn't about you. You know what I mean? Like, it's not about you, it's about us. And this collective problem is a us problem, and it's affecting all of us. It's not just affecting some. It's not only affecting the rich. It's not only affecting the poor. It's everybody's problem. This whole vax versus unvax, the whole lockdown, if you're in Jamaica, it's such a stressful thing. And I just hope that all of you guys are doing okay. Everybody who rocks with me, just know that I am here. I'm in your corner. My reply time is suckish, but it's just because life has me consumed. However, I try my best to be there for other people, because other people have been there for me, you know what I mean? So if you guys need somebody to talk to, you can snap me, you know, add me, DM me. It don't matter. I'll get to it when I get to it, and I hope that I can be there for somebody, right? So thanks guys so much for watching. I love you so much. Stay tuned for all the other videos that are coming. Thumbnail. Want to do a cute thumbnail? Do the heart again, Baba. Let's make it a thumbnail. Cheese. They can't see your face. Oh.
Watch this video.
Watch this video. Thumbs up the video.
And then make it a happy face.
Make a happy face. Oh my god. Thanks for watching, guys. We love you. Thanks for rocking with us, and we'll see you in the next video. Until next time, stay naturally beautiful. Bye. You're showing them it, huh?
It's him.
She's showing you her happy cushion.
Him name.